I'm Marlene. I study English and Spanish at Queen's College, Oxford. So this is the Oxplore Festival, which is basically an outreach project targeted towards students from areas that don't progress that much to university, to dispel any ideas about who should go to university and just get them involved really with thinking, with big questions, with big ideas. I'm from Penzance in Cornwall. When I heard that it was going to be here, that was an immediate yes from me, giving back to the community that created me and that sent me to Oxford. My English teacher was pushing it for a lot of people in my class. I think the feeling that you're being encouraged is quite a difficult one to get when you're from Cornwall and from other less privileged areas. I think a lot of the kids who come in don't even have a grasp of what university is, much less Oxford. Stuff like Oxplore is definitely what is needed. All of these kids are so clever and so excited. I think as soon as that idea is there, then they'll make of that what they can. Moving away from home is always a hard one. It was on the Wednesday of Freshers Week or something, which started on the Sunday. I went on a walking tour of Oxford with the Cornwall Society. So it was just immediately having someone a reference point who I knew. It was a nice way to feel like a home away from home. The community in Cornwall and the community in Penzance is something that I'll have for the rest of my life. But the college setup I find very supportive because I live in college with my friends, so that quickly became like a home to me. I think Oxford is a good place to become an adult in. I feel like I've grown up a lot. I feel like a good version of myself, which is nice.